We have mentioned file extension in the beginning of this lesson and on command prompt lesson 1, and we will now look at how we can view the current file extension and the associated file type and change the association. For the most part, we normally do not need to modify file association, but there might be times we want or need to change the file association. For instance, the current association was incorrect, or we prefer to use a different application to manage certain file types. We should always use caution when we make these kinds of system-wide changes. The command for viewing and changing file association, ASSOC or ASSOC followed by the file extension. Using ASSOC without any parameters, we'll see a list of all file extensions and the associated application for each extension. If we include the file extension, then we'll only see the file extension and its associated applications. For example, ASSOC.docx. We must include the dot in front of the file extension. We can set a new association by using the command ASSOC.fileExtension equal file association. For example, we set the .docx file extension with the association to txt file, which will use either Notepad or WordPad to open all .docx files. We'll need to run ASSOC as administrator if we need to make changes, but we don't need to elevate our permission if we simply want to view the current association. This is because we're making a system-wide change in the former, but not in the latter scenario.